Right now, somewhere in the world, a teenager is making million-dollar AI systems with nothing but words. The most dangerous skill of the future may not be coding. It may be knowing exactly what to say to a machine. Prompts are the new programming language, and while millions still think AI is just a toy, a hidden class of people are quietly learning how to control it. In every generation, humanity discovers a new form of power: fire, electricity, the internet, and now, artificial intelligence. But history hides a strange pattern. The people who rise first are rarely the strongest. They are the ones who learn the language of the new machine. And today, that language is called prompt engineering. Right now, two people can open the exact same AI tool and receive completely different futures. For example, one types, write something about space. The other types, create a cinematic psychological documentary script exploring the terrifying silence of deep space using emotional pacing, suspense, mystery loops, and scientific realism. Same machine, different outcome. Why? Because AI does not simply respond to intelligence. It responds to clarity, structure, intent, direction, and emotional precision. The AI revolution may create a new literacy gap. For thousands of years, words shaped kingdoms, speeches started wars, stories changed civilizations. But for the first time in human history, words are no longer only controlling people. They are now actively controlling machines. A carefully designed prompt can now generate films, music, businesses, code, entire marketing campaigns, even scientific discoveries. The keyboard has become a command center. Beginners think prompting is asking questions. Professionals know prompting is system design. Elite prompt engineers think very differently. They assign roles, constraints, context, tone, emotional direction, output structures, psychological triggers. They do not talk to AI casually. They architect intelligence. A vague prompt creates vague futures. Here is the strange truth. AI mirrors human psychology more than most people realize. Confusing instructions create confusing outputs. Also, emotional prompts create emotional responses. Precision creates precision. Chaos creates chaos. In many ways, AI becomes a reflection of the human mind using it, which means prompt engineering is not only about technology, it is about thinking clearly. Most people are training AI badly without realizing it. A student with powerful prompting skills may soon outperform entire teams. A small creator may rival giant studios. A teenager with a laptop may soon build what once required entire corporations, because AI amplifies direction. And in this new world, prompting is direction. The future may not belong to those with the most resources. It may belong to those who communicate best with intelligence itself. But every powerful technology carries a shadow. Bad prompting can spread misinformation, manipulation, fake realities, artificial emotions, entire worlds that never existed, which means humanity faces a new challenge, not just creating intelligent machines, but also becoming highly intelligent communicators. Years from now, people may look back at this moment the same way we look back at the birth of the internet. Some will say, I ignored it. Others will say, I learned it early. Because prompt engineering is not merely typing words. It is learning how to direct intelligence. We must direct human intelligence, artificial intelligence, and perhaps your own. The question is no longer, can AI change the world? The real question is, who will learn to speak its language first? If this video changed the way you see AI, subscribe to Life Unscripted, because the future is arriving faster than most people realize. And here, we decode it together.